Yes, I mean, we've been very fortunate to have a company like GI involved in our business. We started Redefine Hotels in December 2010, and at the time we looked at various options, whether outsourcing our purchase ledger or bringing it in-house. And we were fortunate to come across GI, and the prices and the services that they offered at the time was very competitive. And we decided to outsource our purchase ledger. So from a cost point of view, it's just obviously a lot more cost effective to have this outsourced function in India assisting us with our purchase ledger. Yes, I was fortunate enough to visit the GI offices in India in March 2011. We were there for about 5 days, and it was a really productive session to go over there and see how the employees over there operate. It was also good to just introduce myself as the financial controller of Redefine, because it's obviously a lot easier if you can put faces to names. And we are very happy with the team that they have over there. We think they're a great bunch of people, and we look forward to obviously working with GI for a very long time. Yes, that's correct. I mean, we have a major input from GI dealing with our suppliers. We obviously have a lot of various units across London, being our hotels, where general managers will deal with suppliers. But when you get to things like monthly supplier reconciliations, that's where a team like GI comes to the party, and they deal directly with suppliers. They've got all the supplier details, and we expect them to pick up the phone and deal with these suppliers on our behalf. Like I said, in December 2010, when we acquired the Redefine Hotels, we got introduced by the previous owners to GI. At the time we looked at various options for our purchase ledger function, and GI just stood out as a company and the services that they provided. And we also felt, from a continuity point of view, the fact that they know hotels, they've been in this industry for a very long time, that they definitely the best partner to have on board. I mean, we at Redefine, we're quite a dynamic company, and at the moment we've got 9 UK properties within our portfolio, and we would like to expand that to the region of 30 hotels over the next 5 years. So we're always looking for partners to be on board with us that's also very dynamic and can assist us and take the workload off us. So I think GI, the fact that they're the type of company you can just phone them anytime and say we've got new acquisitions coming up, and they're always happy to adapt according to that. And it's also quite a young and dynamic team, so that fits very well with our business model. I mean, we've faced some challenges, like in any working environment. When you deal with a variety of suppliers, and we have in the region of about 1,000 invoices a month throughout our portfolio that needs to be captured into our accounting system. We've had problems in the past where let's say a time difference issue where we would like to get hold of teams, but the good thing about GI is they're always available. The working hours that they work sort of adapts into our UK working hours, so they're always contactable. Although there's been some hiccups and problems, none of them have been major, and we've been able to overcome them quite easily.